Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, I am Kainat Gulzar, roll number 040. We are three group members: Isha Kaisar, Kainat Gulzar, Zainab Waris, roll number 39, 40, and 53. The topic of our presentation is cloud computing in 5G, mobile cloud computing. Mobile computing, wireless networks, and cloud computing are three technologies that are converging into a rapidly growing field of cloud computing. Mobile cloud computing is growing day by day. That is why mobile cloud computing services are expected to be a source of quick development with huge capabilities of 5G mobile network. So that the technology is expected to be of next generation in the digital world. Recently, mobile cloud computing based on 5G has attracted growing attention and research efforts in both academic and industry communities. An increasing demand for resource management, data storage, and mobile sensing has motivated the development of mobile cloud computing architecture in 5G that focused on mobility, network management, resource offloading, and sensing services in various mobile cloud computing application domains. Mobile cloud computing research in 5G emerges as a key paradigm, receiving increasing attention and departing from the traditional mobile cloud computing. It is increasing day by day and it will have a great impact on cloud computing. So, roll number 39 will elaborate the example of mobile cloud computing in 5G further. Thank you.
Some examples of cloud computing in 5G. Basically, if 5G has increased a large amount of services, and it has affected also the speed of the also have a lot of effect on its speed. Basically, 5G will enables cloud services providers to reach enterprises mobile customer easily and reliably. Access to virtual machine via phone will come common because of large computing and machine to machine communication provided by 5G. And some other are 5G and cloud new growth opportunities for communication purpose. Now I will discuss architecture of mobile cloud computing. Basically, 5G will provide the large speed with more reliability and more security. Basically, in the more speed is, the more easy to assess the required access of the requested demand. Basically, when we send a request, the internet sends its request to cloud computing, and the cloud computer respond to the user request. If the speed is higher, its response will be more quickly and easily, and then the access will be easily assessed. Next, roll number 053 will going to discuss the applications of cloud computing.
And my roll number is 53. Isha, slides move kar. Topic is applications of cloud computing. There are various applications of the cloud computing. It will provide applications will provide the benefits in three major areas known as 5G triangle: ultra reliable, low latency communication use cases. Second is massive machine type communication use cases, and third one is enhanced mobile broadband. Applications of the cloud computing are online storage. That means it provide online storage where you can store your photos, videos, all kind of data in any form. It can be music, it can be videos, text, or photos, etc. Next, it provides you the software for editing, for presentation softwares, and Microsoft processing softwares. You can edit the Word files, and in presentation softwares, for example, Slide Rocket. In this software, you can edit your presentation or create your presentation. In these softwares, you don't have to install it on your computer or your phone. You can use it in cloud computing. And the next application is finding way on map. You can find the way on map by using cloud computing application. Thank you.